Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kane County in northeastern Illinois, Dupage County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 a.m. At 6:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maple Park or near the Cow, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Octavia, Geneva, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Lemont, Camden Hills, Mur Ridge, and Oak Brook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The thunderstorm was located near Lanark, 40 miles northeast of North Carroll, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is Noaa.